Welcome to my laundry room. A couple of months ago in my stories, I shared that I changed my perspective on laundry when I started praying for each family member as I was going through the piles of laundry. It seriously has changed my prayer life. It is a time that I look forward to now because I can specifically pray for each family member. I can pray. It's an intentional time of prayer and has changed my prayer life. So based on the conversations I've had in DMs after sharing that tiny tidbit of information, I put together an email that is going out in just a couple of hours, but I also added it on to its own little spot on the website that just gives you like a brief look at how I pray for the different pieces of clothing or the different family members, and I hope that it blesses some of you.